How to delete OLX account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can delete OLX account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, head over to olx.in through a web browser in your device. And if you're already logged in into your account, now to delete your account, navigate to top right corner, click on your profile drop down next to it. Here you have to go to the settings option. Once you're under settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There is an option to delete account. Click on delete account. Now to permanently delete your account, confirm it, click on delete. And if you have created a password for your account, you may be prompted to enter your password before you delete your account. So provide your password, and if it's correct, your account will be deleted. Since I created my account with my Google account, it does not ask me for any password. And once I confirm it, now my account is deleted, as you can see here. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.